Alright guys, here we go. It's Thursday about 1 o'clock. Doing these afternoon calls. I had one this morning that I should have recorded, but I didn't. I got a call from a local shop. Guy's been without a Jeep for a couple of months. He's been driving his other car because a locksmith went there and tried to make a key for it. It's an 07 Jeep Grand Cherokee. So the mechanic hands me the keys, and he said the locksmith tried to program the keys, but there's something else wrong with the truck. So as soon as he hands me the keys, I look at him. It's a gray-headed key. Right off the bat, I'm thinking, all right, it should be a 164. It should be at least a tan key, but I personally would have done a remote key, you know, if they had the money. But anyway, I get to the car, and you know, he had told me, oh, the locksmith did everything that he can do, but they said to take it to a mechanic and have it repaired. So the mechanic calls me right away because he sees a blinking security light, of course, and I go there, I look at the keys, Y160. I recut the key on a tan head just to see. I stick the thing in, key programs in instantly. So that just goes to tell you the locksmith didn't do a very good job. And the guy's been without a car for 2 months because he's been trying to get the money together to have it repaired and everything else. And the locksmith still charged him $250. That's the part that I don't like. Because, you know, that to me, if you can't go there and get the job done, you know, don't charge these people unless they know up front, you know, unless it's something that you don't know what you're getting into, the things in a junkyard or something like that. But this was literally, I guess, at a guy's house. And you go there, you can't program the key, and you tell them something's wrong with the car. That to me is not right. Because you screwed up. I mean, all you had to do was open any transponder guide, the ILCO book, you know, Fast Facts, Auto Smart, any of that stuff. It's all right there, black and white. I mean, God, some of it's even color. And I don't find that right, because they don't know what they're doing, and the customer still has to pay $250. Anyway, we are on our way to Glen Spey, New York. I have to do a house rekey out there for a realtor that I do a bunch of work for. All right, just went through Monticello. Now we're in the Forestburg. Sorry about that, I got a phone call. But anyway, we're going out here to do a rekey for a realtor friend of mine that I do a ton of work for. And then we're going to look at a Dodge pickup that has, he thinks 2 keys are bad, but I highly doubt 2 keys are bad. It's probably got a bad win or something else is going on with it, but it's got to pay. But I'll take a look at it just to see what's going on. Then I have to go install a combination lock in Mountaindale, New York. And then we're going to do those 50 or 60 levers tonight in that basement remodel. And we'll get everything done out there hopefully tonight. And let's get rolling. Okay, we're just getting into Glen Spey here. I'm going to find this address and...
Turn right onto the unpaved road.
Unpaved road, there you go. And we're going to get this job taken care of. I'll be back with you here in a minute. Okay, so that house, they haven't seen it. The brother died. They had all the papers that they needed. Picked the door open, and the house had 2 trees laying on the roof. The thing is, it's a tear down. So anyway, we made them a key to the front door. Not that they really need one. But anyway, that is done. I just got a call from a Sunoco gas station. I got to run and change the front door lock on that in Montauk Valley. And then we're going to go to the Dodge pickup. So we're just taking a little detour here because they have to have that lock changed, and I do all their locks for the Indians that own the Sunoco stores. Alright, I'm going to get rolling over that way. Okay, we are just getting to our Sunoco station here that we got to do the rekey on. Guys, there we go. Perfect working cylinder. I cut them more keys. I just didn't want to show you guys the cuts on it since you know where the gas station is. It works absolutely perfect. Somebody's obviously been there since the last time I was there, because I don't put these junk cylinders in. They probably called one of the local glass companies, and this is just what they screw in there. But I changed it out for a solid brass cylinder. Okay, so that door is finished, and now we're going to shoot up the street about 4 miles to this Dodge pickup, and we'll see what we got going on with that. I don't know if I could work miracles, but we'll stop by and see what's happening there. Alright, we're just pulling up to this trailer park, big trailer park here on the right side. I'm just going to find entrance 3. And we're going to pull in and see exactly what in the world we got going on with this Dodge. And we're going to play this by ear. Alright, I'll be right back with you when I pull into this truck. Alright, so I'm hooked up to this truck. These are the old keys. I can't imagine 2 keys are bad, but he still wants to try to program another key in it. So here's another key. Gonna put it on. Got the auto pro pad hooked up. Going to agree. By vehicle, Dodge Ram 6-13, read pin 2316, program blank key 2316. Let's see if security goes out on this thing. Five keys in this truck, and security's not blinking, just like I expected. It is not a key problem. Wasting time and money. The remote works perfect. This truck's got bigger issues. Yep, nothing. I guess he's out of luck. On to the next thing. Okay, so we are done here in the trailer park, and yeah, it definitely, I was 99% sure it wasn't the wind module, and I was correct. I mean, the keys, it definitely has bigger issues going on with it, that truck. I told them to, should go to a mechanic first, but I don't know, everybody seems to know better. But the keys are fine. Something else going on, probably a corroded wire being a Dodge, or a bad wind module, you just don't know. But more than likely it's a bad wire on that truck. Anyway, we're gonna move on and head to Mountaindale, New York, and we're gonna go install this combo lock. I'll be back with you shortly. Alright, we're gonna be pulling into this other new development here, and I'm gonna have to find a unit, and we are going to install a combination lock that he bought, and we'll be right there. I'll be back with you guys. Okay, this is just a brand new unit that we're doing. I marked my 6 holes here and the other one on the side, and I'm gonna start drilling this. Do the 4 outside first. Okay, these holes are drilled. Back holes are drilled. Close this door. And we're gonna mark the jam. And look at that. Every single time it's perfect. So this door is done now. Everything's mortised in. Everything lines up perfect. Mortise the side in. Outside. 243 factory preset, perfectly smooth. I'm going to set this, actually I left him his old garbage box right there because he provided an old used lock that he had. Alright, so that unit is done. They're going to be putting in a bunch more duplexes in here. Over the winter here, they're getting ready to pop foundations in and stuff. Alright, I just got a call for another Nissan Armada. They're not even sure what year it is. It's anywhere between an 18 and a 21. They just towed it in with no keys. So I'm gonna head over there. I do have that, but they need 2 keys for it. I know I have one with the power hatch in stock and OEM, and the 3 buttons I got plenty of. The 4 button I just used the other day, that won't be in for another day or 2 on that from the other Armada. But anyway, I'm gonna make a pit stop there just to see exactly what it is, and maybe we'll do this key. We're going to be pulling into the shop here in a couple of minutes, and it should be out in the lot, so I shouldn't have any problems recording, making a key for it, but we're going to play it by ear there. You guys ready for this? This is a 21 Nissan Armada rental car. This was towed in with no key. We're gonna wing this one. I get the auto pro pad here. Let me just plug in. Nothing. Okay, let's wing this. I have this 21. I've never done one of these, so you guys are doing it live with me. Choose Nissan. Agree. 4-pin code. Steering lock release. Mission. Oh shit, let me put the 4-ways on. Success. Okay, let's back out. You guys are doing this live with me here for the first time. Well, not live, but on site. Select from type, smart key system. Let's start with 4. We'll go type 5. That seems to be all smart keys out of the car. Throw that up on the roof. Okay. Program smart keys. Yes, I released the steering wheel lock. I guess it's released. It said it was released. Okay, press the start and stop button with your finger. Push the smart key logo facing. Okay. Cluster will then turn on. Immobilizer will flash 5 times. Okay, so we're going to press it with our finger. It's blinking. Sun logo. Oops, one too many times, OJ. Okay. It is on. Program 2. Yes, I know. Okay, we'll shut this off. Oh, yes, baby. You watching, Lock Labs? I don't think too many people are making videos with your machine. Well, not your machine. You're the distributor for the machine. Let's, brake pedal. Key, I'm going to put right here on my lap. Let's make sure this works. No, hold on. Close to the button. Shit, let me unplug. Kill these 4-ways. That's what I'm talking about. Brake pedal. Bam, 21 Nissan Armada. Big beast. And I did that with your Auto Pro Pad, Lock Labs. I should have used the IM508 though, but you guys got to hook a brother up here doing this stuff. Appreciate you guys watching. Okay, we are done with the Armada. I do have another key coming. Hopefully I have it tomorrow so I can finish this out. It is now 5:30. I am headed home. I actually forgot to tell you I had to do the door key for that car. I totally forgot to record it. But yeah, the door key is all done and I'm on my way home. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat and then I'm gonna head out and do that big basement job with all the levers going in tonight. All right, here we go in this basement. 3 cases of Tiger Lock. We've got closet, another closet, another closet, this is a room here, here, these double doors get dummies, this door, these doors in the bathroom. Laundry room, this door, this room, bathroom, more dummies, this room, another bathroom, more dummies, these are dummies, all these are dummies. Closet, another bathroom, another room, this door, that door. It's a decent sized basement. This should be a closet. HVAC. This room, bathroom, closet. Closet, this is all IT stuff. This here. This door, this door. These doors are gonna get dummies. This is gonna get a lever. This door gets a lever. This looks like it's gonna be a bathroom, I assume. Another privacy. Dummy, dummy, and another bathroom. I don't think there's a closet in here. Nope, we're good. So it should 54, 55 locks, something like that. I'm gonna get started and I'll show you guys some stuff here along the way. The way I do this, I go around and I prep every single door. I take one latch, I go around, I prep everything. I take a little 1/8 inch bit and I just poke a hole in everything because these newer doors, they seem to be like, even though they're solid core doors, they're so kiln dried that when you put a screw in it, they want to split going up. So I do every single door, I pre-drill it. Like this door, I'll pull out and I'll literally just back up to the next. Pop the latch in and then I'll literally just pre-drill it for the screws all the way through every single door. And then I go around and I put install all the locks afterwards. All right, and this is what the hardware looks like on the doors. This stuff is fantastic. I use a lot of this Tiger Lock stuff. The springs are nice and strong in it. And works great. Everything gets adjusted up and we're gonna finish all of this other stuff. And with these passage levers, these are actually drilled through the door, and because with these, you know, a lot of guys will put 2 screws in there, but people's first reaction with a lever is to walk up, grab it, and want to twist it. So these things, when they're on the door, they are not going anywhere, especially on the solid core door. I love these Tiger Locks. These things are actually really good, bang for the buck. All right, so this basement is now finished here. Upstairs going outside at the levers on there, and if something does not look straight, it's because of the phone or something, because everything here is perfect. If not, my OCD would kick in. All done. done. The bathroom, done. Let me show you this room. This is done. You know, if something looks crooked, it's because these doors, you know, they don't sit right on those roller catches up there. Laundry room's done. 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 Bathroom done. Done. They are not crooked. It's because of these doors. They don't even close. Right now it is 12:09 a.m. Thursday night, but now it's Friday. All done. Done. Bathroom. This big room. This basement is huge. The more I walk around it, the bigger it keeps getting. I mean, most people's houses aren't this big. This is a basement. The only two doors I didn't do were over here, these doors, because what happens, these doors are just in a track, and these doors are literally going to get pulled out. They're going to sit along that wooden lip, and I don't want to start popping. He literally wants two dummy handles to pop one of these out, and then he can open the rest of the doors. But I'm going to talk to the builder first. This IT closet I left open because I know it's hot in there, and I don't want to be responsible for closing the door, but the lock is on. This is the door that goes up from outside. Kind of creepy up there, huh? That goes up top. That needs to be power washed and painted. Done. This is done. I think it ended up like 52 or 54 locks. But this literally took us 3 hours and 15 minutes, 3 hours and 20 minutes. We were in and out. I mean, we just do so many of these. We literally do thousands of these doors every year in remodels, and a lot of finished basements. I mean, a tremendous amount, just like this. Not this big, this is a big basement. But yeah, we are all finished. That is just dust on the floor. Not my responsibility. But I'm gonna run back through, turn everything off, and we are finished with this. I'm gonna come back tomorrow. I'm gonna drop those two levers on there. Once the builder shows me exactly where he wants them, and we're done for the night. And it's yeah, it's a little after 12. Not a bad night.